Sit. From predator to prey is a story about our tigers, about their skills, their abilities, and their history. Let's get a better understanding and awareness of these big cats, their place, and survival in an ever-changing world. From predator to prey mengisahkan tentang harimau, keahlian, dan sedikit cerita mereka di masa lalu. Ladies and gentlemen, the magnificent tigers of Bali Safari Park. Known as Panthera tigris, tiger is the largest of the cat species, which can weigh up to 300 kilograms. Harimau adalah jenis kucing terbesar di dunia dengan berat mencapai 300 kilogram. Male tigers are larger than the females. They can live up to 15 years in the wild, but much longer in places like Bali Safari. Tigers have black stripes, which help them to camouflage in the wild. On the back of each tiger's ear is a distinct round white spot. When viewed from behind, they serve as false eyes, so that potential predators think that the tiger is watching them. Warna dan belang hitam harimau membantu mereka untuk berkamuflase. Dan harimau juga memiliki pola berwarna putih di belakang telinga mereka yang terlihat seperti sepasang mata dan berfungsi untuk mengelabui pemangsa lain. The claws of a tiger are large and sharp, and it's about 10 centimeters long. The claws are retractable, which means they can hide them. They are used when killing prey or fighting with other tigers. Harimau memiliki cakar yang sangat panjang sekitar 10 cm dan digunakan untuk membunuh mangsanya. Remember, tigers are the largest cats in the world, with males reaching almost 3 meters from nose to tail tip. Tiger will sometimes stand up like this to mark its territory by scratching the tree trunks. Tinggi harimau jantan mencapai 3 meter dari hidung hingga ujung ekor. Harimau juga akan berdiri dan mencakar batang pohon untuk menandai daerah teritorinya. Not all tigers scratch at trees. Some do it frequently, while others don't bother. Secretions from glands in the feet leave deposits, which are easily detected or smelled by other tigers. Sekresi pada kelenjar kaki harimau meninggalkan bau yang mudah dideteksi oleh harimau lainnya. Hunting is the key to the tiger survival. They prefer to hunt alone and by ambush. Tigers are fast runners. They achieve short period of 60 kilometers per hour, but can chase fast prey like deer for long distances. When the tiger is close enough, it springs from cover, killing the prey with a bite to the neck. Tiger's hind legs are longer than its front, which allows them to jump powerfully. So well developed are the muscles and ligaments that the tigers can jump some 10 meters in one leap. Kaki belakang harimau lebih panjang dibandingkan kaki depannya. Dengan otot serta persendian yang kuat, memungkinkan harimau mampu melompat sejauh 10 meter dalam sekali lompatan. Tigers usually hunt in the late afternoon or at night for large prey like wild pigs, deers, sometimes monkeys, and even frogs. Harimau biasanya berburu pada sore hingga malam hari. Mangsa harimau bervariasi, seperti babi hutan, rusa, hingga primata. After the tiger has eaten, they will rest for a few days, because tiger only have to hunt about once a week. Setelah makan, harimau akan beristirahat selama beberapa hari, karena harimau hanya perlu berburu sekali dalam seminggu. Do you know that the tigers can climb the trees? Tiger cubs readily climb trees and are known to chase monkeys up into the trees in an effort to catch food. Curved claws enable cats to grasp and hold large prey, and also climb trees at first. Sejak kecil anak harimau sudah terbiasa memanjat pohon. Bahkan mereka belajar berburu primata. However, it is difficult for the tigers to climb back down the tree. Therefore, they either crawl backwards or jump down from the trees, making them look clumsy. Tetapi harimau akan mengalami kesulitan ketika menuruni pohon. Oleh karena itu, mereka akan memilih merangkak mundur atau melompat turun dari pohon. Tigers have been known to eat up to 27 kilograms of meat in one night. But more often, they consume up to 6 kilograms of meat during a meal. Harimau mampu menghabiskan hingga 27 kg daging dalam satu malam. Tetapi mereka lebih sering mengkonsumsi 6 kg daging setiap hari. Tiger is the symbol of power and beauty. Of the 9 subspecies tiger, Siberian tiger is the largest species, and they only can be found in Asia. Tigers' habitat is generally in lush tropical jungle, but they have also adapted to a variety of environments, including wide rivers. Harimau hidup di hutan rimba, mampu beradaptasi dengan air, bahkan terbiasa dengan sungai-sungai besar. Tigers are adept swimmers. Unlike almost all other big cats, they enjoy bathing and often play in the water. Tigers have been known to swim up to 29 kilometers. It was once thought that the tiger swam from Java to Bali across the Bali Strait, which is only 2.4 kilometers wide, making it well within the swimming ability of the tiger. Jika dibandingkan dengan kucing besar lainnya, harimau adalah perenang yang handal. Mereka tercatat mampu berenang sejauh 29 km. Villagers settle near the rivers because water is very important source of life. Apart from rivers, villagers and tigers were competing for the same forest area. It makes the tigers lose their habitat and start to enter humans' area. Sadly, tigers are still being hunted to extinction by poachers for the skin, bones, fish, and claws, which are highly valued in traditional medicine. Most importantly, studies have shown that there is no scientific evidence that the tiger's parts are an effective remedy. These animals are rare and precious. We cannot kill them for our own purposes. Now is the time for us to become more aware and help save these animals from extinction. Such was the belief of the villagers toward the power and strength of Goddess Durga. Villagers learned to respect and live with the tigers. But alas, it was too late. The only remaining symbol of the Balinese tiger is now the Barong Macan. Today, there are only around 400 wild tigers remaining in Sumatra, Indonesia. Many tigers have disappeared, including the Javan and Bali tigers. It is possible within the next 15 years, the tiger will disappear altogether. We cannot allow this to happen to these majestic and regal creatures. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in thanking our magnificent tigers and their dedicated trainers. Taman Safari Indonesia is proud to be actively involved in tigers conservation, and we successfully managed a rescue and release program in Sumatra, releasing 8 tigers to their natural habitat since 2008. We also manage a breeding program and a world-class Sumatran Tigers Genome Resource Bank. In 2013, Taman Safari Indonesia conducted the world's first artificial insemination of a wild tiger, with the hope of saving the genetic diversity of these animals. We continue to work tirelessly with the government against tigers poaching and trafficking. Much more needs to be done to save these beautiful creatures from extinction, so our next generation can still see them in the wild. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you have enjoyed learning more about our tigers today. Thank you very much everyone. Have a great day and bye!